I welcome you all for this lecture series in the course Manufacturing and Measurements. Our today's topic for discussion is welding. So we all know we have two types of joints for assembly, any component. So that one is, yes, it is temporary joint as well as permanent joint. So temporary joints, we use fasteners, that is nuts and bolts, which can be dismantled at any point of time when you want to dismantle. But certain components used to be made as permanent joints for the purpose of safety, for the purpose of rigidity of the component, for the purpose of functions. So in this regard, the most trusted manufacturing process is welding, right? So it is the process of joining two or more metals. It may be a dissimilar metal or it may not be a similar metal by applying heat, pressure, or combination of both. It's a fundamental technique used in various industries, starting from construction, aerospace, manufacturing, automotive industries, as well as all the domestic utensils making industries. We use this welding. The interesting part is during the period of Corona time, we have used mask, right? Even the mask has one welding process, right? So we have a thread to make it hang on our ear. So this thread is being welded to the mask cloth using ultrasonic welding. So it's great to appreciate this manufacturing process for helping us in various ways. Let us explore what are the things available in welding. So we have three types of welding. One is shielded metal arc welding. Other one is gas tungsten arc welding, gas metal arc welding. So shielded metal arc welding, this comes under fusion welding process where the arc is created between the electrode stick and the material to be welded. That is the weld specimen. So this arc produced melts the metal where there is a molten pool in the contact area. So this weld pool is exposed to the atmosphere. So it may leads to oxidation. So in this regard, we use a shielding gas over the area of welding so that the oxidation is being arrested and there is no rust formation in the weld. So next one is gas tungsten arc welding. So it uses gas tungsten. In the name itself, it has tungsten as electrode. So tungsten is used, which is a non-consumable, right? After the process, the electrode remains the same in volume and length because it only passes voltage or current. So here also inert gas is used to produce quality welding. So next one is gas metal arc welding. Here wire electrode is used and shielding gas is also used to create the weld. So it's these three are simple for setting up, and the major components used in this is power source, electrode holder, a ground clamp, and it is versatile. It can be used to weld any thicknesses and various positions, including vertical and overhead. SMAW equipment is relatively lightweight, portable, allowing for welding in remote or difficult to access areas. So, high quality welds, cast tungsten arc welding, we can get very excellent appearance and minimal distortion is there. So aerospace sheet metal is being welded using TIG welding, and all our automotive parts like mudguard, petrol tank or fuel tank, and various things are being welded using gas tungsten arc welding. So applications and safety welding we use in all the industries, fabrication, repairing, maintaining metal structures, and we also need to have very safe welding environment since we are dealing with very high voltage. So personal protective equipment is very important and proper ventilation is important, and certain guidelines are to be followed where fire is being handled. So with this, I hope you had a minimal clarity in introduction to welding process. We will continue our lecture series in the next session. Thank you all.